In this lesson, you will discover 5 best courses for real estate investing and wholesaling if you're just getting started. Also, if you've closed one or few deals but feel stuck, you may want to listen attentively. But first, please do me 3 favors. 1. Hit that like button until it turns blue in the face to tell the algorithm that this video is live. 2. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications in order to get alert when I do release these videos. 3. Tell me in the comment area what topic you would like me to cover in the next video. My name is Ola and I'm the author of 2 books, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling and Real Estate Money Secret, which you can download absolutely for free at www.realestatemoneysecrets.com. I'm also the creator of myEmpirePRO and 11 Days Challenge Quick Start Guide, which you can access at www.11dayschallenge.com. In 2004 to 2005, I took a course by Richard Douglas on Wholesaling Preforeclosures. Right after that, I took a course on flipping by a legend, Glen Galucci. I think Glen Galucci is still very much around, but he's more of a private lender these days, and I really like that. I like it because wholesaling and flipping houses as a real estate investing strategy are active income activities. That's not the end goal. The end goal is passive income. But I understand that the majority of us need to continue actively working on active income. With that being said, I'm going to come off as a little biased, but I guarantee that there is something great in this short presentation for you. I think the courses I took back in 2004 and 2005 were the greatest. The icing on the cake was my membership with my lead system pro, where I learned everything about digital marketing. With 15 years experience, I have packaged my experiences into these 5 courses that you can access immediately. Just find the most suitable one for you and engage it. Let's dive right in. Course number 5, free wholesale real estate course. After years of coaching people and charging $15,000, I've come to realize that some people have more time to invest than money. So if you feel like you have more time than money to invest in real estate, where you can still cash out $5,000 to $25,000 check per deal, this is probably a best fit for you. You can easily access the course on this YouTube channel's homepage or by searching the phrase free wholesale real estate course by Ola on YouTube or Google search engines. In this course, you will also watch the live demonstration of the #1 web-based software that we use in this business to find motivated sellers and cash buyers investors. Course number 4, free wholesaling 101 course. So this is another free course that I created for those who have more time than money to invest, particularly in coaching by stories, examples, and experience. As you can imagine, I have tons of stories from doing so many deals over the years, and if you learn better with real life stories and a little more context, this is the course for you. You can easily access the course on this YouTube channel's homepage. Also, you can access it for free by searching the phrase free wholesaling 101 course by Ola on YouTube or Google search engines, and it should pop right up. Course number 3, Facebook ads for real estate investors. If you're like me and you understand that digital everything is the way forward, this is a must-see overview course. You can leverage Facebook and Instagram to find motivated sellers without slaving away your personal time in cold calling. The course covers some fundamental stuff on how online and digital marketing are structured on the advertising network platforms, from campaigns to ad creatives, but I teach with respect to finding motivated sellers for wholesaling and real estate investing. You can easily access the course on this YouTube channel's homepage. Also, you can find it by searching the phrase Facebook ads for real estate investors by Ola on YouTube or Google search engines. I think you should pop right up on Facebook as well under the videos tab after searching. Don't forget to come back and say thank you. Course number 2, 11 Days Challenge to Flipping Houses Nationwide. This is the first ever of the 11 Days Challenge 11 DC franchise coaching and training. If you're looking for coaching and mentorship from me, step by step, look over my shoulder style, training for 11 days and also beyond, this is a suitable coaching program for you. The 2 things that are really special about this coaching program are the hands-on mentorship from me and a system to follow from data to deals and scaling. The regular price to access this program is $15,000, but to access a test drive masterclass for free, go to www.11dayschallenge.com. Course number 1, 11 days challenge to Facebook and Instagram ads. This is another version of the 11 DC franchise that focuses on leveraging Facebook and Instagram advertising networks to find motivated sellers who have decided to entertain an offer. It's different from the previous one because it is a step-by-step and look over my shoulder coaching and not teaching the theory. This program is essentially a way to jump ahead of the initial 2 stages of the data to deals real estate investing and wholesaling stages. You get to jump data and contact straight to leads. No need to call, send text messages or postcards. You set up the campaign and generate leads. You can access this coaching program the same way. It's $15,000 with the original 11 DC. But again, to access a test drive masterclass for free, go to www.11dayschallenge.com. Bonus: 11 days challenge to $1,000 daily income, 11 DC 21K. Here's a bonus for those who really want to take their home business hustle to another level entirely and stand out. This is all about a brand new concept I use for my personal businesses called the DFP to create $1,000 days and make up to $30,000 per month. The DFPs allow me the luxury of being able to finance my marketing like the gurus. Most people try to hustle for free marketing strategies while the gurus focus on being able to spend the most amount of money on marketing. I get it. It's also the gurus who teach these terrible ideas. So it is very hard for an average guru student to compete with their gurus. These gurus are essentially running a recession-proof business using DFPs. I use the same system to make upwards of $12,000 in a day. The program is $15,000 on our myEmpirePRO product page, but you can also access a test drive masterclass for free at www.30kmonthlyformula.com. Tell me in the comment area any questions you may have about these courses and coaching programs. Then let me know if you need help choosing a suitable program to get you going. Don't forget to download your 2 free books, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling and Real Estate Money Secrets at www.realestatemoneysecrets.com. Also check out the 11 Days Challenge Quick Start Guide at www.11dayschallenge.com. Check out the next video on the screen for more information all about making money from home.